Hello and welcome back to the channel. It has been a while, but we're back. And to go off with a bang, we're in the brand new Renault 5 pure electric. What a stunning car to relaunch the channel. Let's talk about it. Let's get straight into it. This is the Renault 5. The derivative is the iconic 5. It's got the bigger battery, so up to about 250 miles, finished in pop yellow. What a stunning color. I gotta say, when Renault launched this car, I did say to Justin, if you're gonna send it to me in either yellow or pop green, and he done a great job. Send it to me in yellow. What a stunning looking car. Let's talk numbers. So this particular derivative starts at 28 grand. The range starts at 23. And you know what? For an electric car, 23 grand, that is nothing. That is not a lot of money for a 5-door electric car. So £28,000 this starts at, plus the paint. Paint's a little bit more expensive, £1,200. So the yellow with the black roof, with the red outline, absolutely fantastic. 18-inch wheels, recycled materials, and I gotta say, Renault have done what Ford didn't with the Capri. They've relaunched an iconic car, drives brilliantly, price point is fantastic, range, for me personally, you go for the bigger range. When I charged it the other day, I charged that from 59%, so the day I got it, I drove it around, thought, let me give it a full charge. So 59 to 100%, it gave me 211 miles. Now bear in mind, that's probably going because of the battery memory and the delivery driver dropping it off to me. Nonetheless, that only cost me, and I was quite surprised, £15.88. Not bad for a fast charger from GridServe. I gotta say, I've driven it now for a fair few days. Motorway, not a problem. Round town, fantastic. And if you drive it sensibly, you will get the range back. Absolutely, you'll get it back. And I've seen that myself. So I've gone from west to North London, and the range has come back. You know, you gain a few miles on that region. Really good system in here. They've really thought about it well. The interior, made from recycled materials. I think it's recycled bottles. The iconic French flags on the front headlights. Boot space is great. This is a fantastic second car for anyone. Genuinely is. There's not a lot of cars that I've kind of been excited about in the last year, and they relaunched this, and I thought, do you know what? They've done it really well. Really well. From what it was to what it is today. Fantastic. Renault have kind of come back to the automotive market, I would say, because they had nothing. When you thought about Renault, you think, oh blimey, they've got problems with their cars. They've come back with a bang. This coming up in another video will be the Raphael soon. They're relaunching the Renault 4, if you are old enough to remember that. So that's on its way back as well at some point. So again, they're thinking about the markets, they're thinking about what they're going to change, and they're bringing stuff back. This is probably one of the best looking electric cars on the market today. And I think, you know, when you look at the competition, and it's targeting Mini, let's be honest, Mini has been a fantastic product in the UK. And I think they've got a challenge. They've got to look over their shoulder, and Renault are right up there with them. They've done a really good job. The range is good, the way it drives is really good. The technology there, so Google integrated in the system. So you've got that, you've got CarPlay, you've got Android Play, you've got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Really good. The one thing that is a bit of an interesting one is where the gear lever is. Now, if you're used to a Mercedes, it's not a problem. If you're not, then you've got the volume controls on the side, on the bottom. You then got the wipers, and then you've got your gear lever. So it can be a bit confusing for new Renault drivers. However, it is very easy to navigate. The volume controls on here are old school. I remember seeing them in Renaults of old, like 10-15 years ago. You still get the same card as the key, which is Renault in itself. I gotta say, in yellow, it's the right colour for it. Now this car only comes in 5 colours: pop yellow, pop green, white, black, and a dark conservative blue for those who want to be understated. in the centre of Paris or in central London. But I've got to say, if you're going to do it, you're going to take it in yellow. Fantastic looking car, probably one of the best looking electric cars on the market today. For me, it's really, really good. It drives really, really well. You know, I'm going to whack it into eco. Great. You put the aircon on, you don't lose any range. It's one of my biggest bear bugs from driving electric cars. You stick on that aircon, all of a sudden you're losing things. Absolutely fine. Cruising along at 55 miles an hour at the moment. No issues whatsoever. You don't feel anything. Genuinely, they've done an exceptional job. I would say this is probably a second car, or someone who does very low miles as their first car. Certainly for me, if I'm looking for a second car for the family, probably choose this. It's probably one of the more funkier, one of the coolest cars, I would say, on the market today. Genuinely, it is a great drive. It's a great looking car. It's funky, it's fun. Renault, well done. Renault are back. Thanks to Renault UK and Justin for arranging this for me. Very, very much appreciated. You're going to see another Renault coming up very soon, so I'm due to get the Renault Raphael in a few weeks time, so you're seeing that. And then, as I said, the channel's back. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button. Make sure you've hit that bell icon, because you're not going to want to miss some of the things coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.